Hello class, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Karit. For this video presentation, let us talk about geometric sequence. So what is geometric sequence, class? So it is an ordered set of numbers that progresses by multiplying or dividing each term by a common ratio. So I'll give you an example of geometric sequence number. So we have 2, 4, 8, and 16. So as you notice, it is increasing. So it is increasing by a common ratio. So you may ask, what is a common ratio, sir? So a common ratio, that is a number when you divide the second term by the first term. So we have the formula of the common ratio. So we have R, that is the common ratio, equals to the second term divided by the first term. So in this example, 4 is our second term. So let's write it here. Then our first term is 2. Okay. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that is our common ratio. Okay. So geometric sequence is a special type of sequence, class, in which the ratio of two consecutive number is constant. Okay. Okay, so let us proceed to example number 1. Okay, our problem is what is the next term in the geometric sequence 3, 15, 75, and 375. So to solve that, I will give you the formula first. The formula is of n is equals to is of 1 multiply that with the common ratio raised to the number of term minus 1. Okay. So in this problem, our first term is 3. So our first term 3. Then multiply that with the common ratio. So let us solve first the common ratio. We have R is equals to the second term divided by the first term. So our second term is 15. So we have 15 here. Divide by 3. That's our first term. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that is our R, or common ratio, 5. So we are tasked to find this question, that is the next term. So let us count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 terms. Pangilan daw ang 5 terms? So this our n is 5 minus 1. Okay. Bring down 3. Multiply that by 5 raised to the power of 4 na siya kasi sinubtract natin yung 1 sa 5. Okay, so bring down 3. Then let us multiply 5 by itself 4 times. So we have 5 times 5 times 5 then times 5. Okay, you may get your calculator, class. So 5 times 5, that is 25 times 5, that is 125 times 5 again, that is 625. 625. So this is 625. Then 3 times 625, that is equals to 1,875. Okay, did you get class? Okay, so let us proceed to problem number 2. So the problem is, what is the value of the sixth term of a geometric sequence where the first term is 3 and the common ratio is 2? Okay, so let us go to the formula. We have the E sub n equals to E sub 1, multiply that with the common ratio and raise the number of term minus 1. Okay, so given is the first term. This is the first term, which is 3. So 3 times the common ratio. We have 2 is our common ratio. Multiply that by 2. Then our number of terms is 6. This is 6 minus 1. So 3 times, this is now 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so we will multiply 2 by itself 5 times. So 2 times 2, that is 4, times 2, that is 8, times 2 again, that is 16, then times 2 again, so 32. Okay, so 3 times 32. Okay, I will just demonstrate to you how did I get 32. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, then times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 times, so 32. So next, let us proceed to the multiplication. So 3 times 32, that is 96. Okay, did you get class? So very easy, ano? Okay, so let us proceed to example number 3. So find the 12th term in the geometric sequence 5, 15, 45, and 135. So to solve this problem again, so we need to provide you with the formula. Okay, the formula is sub n again is equals to the first term, multiply that with the common ratio raised to the number of terms minus 1. So in this problem, our E sub 1, which is 5. This is our first term. Multiply that with the common ratio. Okay. So again, the common ratio is equals to the E sub 2 over the E sub 1. So in this problem, our E sub 2 is 15. We have 15. So 15. Okay. 15 divided by 5, our first term. So 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So this is 3. Then our number of terms is 12 here. So we have 12 minus 1. Okay. So 5 times 3. It becomes now 12. So 12 minus 1, this is 11. Okay. Okay, so 5 times. So 3 times multiply by itself 11 times. Okay, so when you multiply 3 by itself 11 times, that is equals to 100. Sorry, let's erase. 177,147. Then multiply this 177,147 by 3. That is equals to 885,735. Okay, class, kuha. So that is how to calculate the geometric sequence. So I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Thank you for watching.